I want to show you how to access the edit text values, and especially numbers there, and how to apply mathematical calculation on these numbers like this. And let's suppose we have text box 1 and text box 2, so whatever value is entered to this, then we will plus together and will display here in a text view. So let's go and design this interface and apply the calculations. So let me close this project and create a new one, empty view, and edit text tutorial, let's suppose. It will load like this. Let me close the project to get more space, and now let's display the, it's still loading. Okay, now I want to design an interface like this, that to edit text, one button and one result option. So now I want to delete this one. Okay, now let's bring edit text, so plain text 1 and plain text 2. So I will connect this both to the top, and this one to the left, this one also to the top, and to the right. And now I can select both to create its horizontal chain. So horizontal chain is created but still not properly distributed. So let's change its property, layout width to 0 dp. When both are selected, okay, now they distribute, they both control share the screen equally. Okay, so if you want to bring them a bit down, so to design like this, you can do like this also. So now I want to bring another one, a button. So buttons are under this common, bring a button, and we can I will connect this one to the top of this, to the bottom of this, and the left to the left. And the next one, I will bring a text view to display the result on this of these two numbers here. Okay, so I will connect the top of this to the bottom of this, and I can connect the left to the left of this edit text. Okay, and the right to the right of this edit text, that this result is just below this text box. Okay, now let's change quickly its properties. We can change from code properties here also, and from code also. Let's go and quickly change from code, and later on we can easily access to give proper IDs also. So let's continue. First of all, give to this one a proper ID. So if you want to rename properly, then the best option is that press Control Shift F6, then you will get the rename option. So it is edit text ET first number. Okay, and then click refactor. So the ID is given. Now again, we don't want this EMS property, and its type, you see that the edit text, we can type anything. For example, you see if its type is text person name, meaning to say it is alphabetic. So if I run this project now, you will realize that its type is like this, that we can type in the field anything that we want. For example, numbers, text, alphabets, special symbols. So you see here, you see if I click, you see we get a keyboard where we can type anything. But you know that we need here only numbers, so the type I will change to number. Now when I change to number, and if I run again, then you see I will get only number option. Text cannot be entered. So in this way we can control the input characters, and we can stop some of the mistakes. Okay, so this one. Now I will remove the text property from here, and here I will type the hint property. Okay, so the hint should be first number, and the same we will do for the next one. So Shift F6 and ET second number, okay, refactor, and we don't need this property because this m property is this. And then again the input type I will change to number, and the text again I will change to hint property, and this will be the second number. And the button ID I will give an ID control shift F6, sorry, so this should be btn, and let's suppose again add, like sum the two values, okay, refactor, and the text should be this one, the text should be add, and maybe we can change a bit text size to 30 sp, and this text view should be, let's suppose we change as a shift F6 text view TV, and it is a result. Okay, now refactor, and here yeah, the text size should be, text size should be, let's suppose 30 sp. Now if we see that how it looks like, it's look like this. So here a value, here a value, when we display it, the result will be displayed here at this result. And if you want to change this text also to result, then it will looks like this. Okay, so let's go to the code and use all these numbers, then how to access the value here and plus together and display here. So again in the main activity.kt I want to access. Okay, so now if I see, you see this one is already added, so btn add dot set and click listener. So here what I want to do like this, that access whatever value is entered here and whatever value is entered here, want to access and store in a variables and then add them together and display here. So how to access, let's create a variables while first number is equal to edit text first number dot text. So again you see it is editable, it returning editable, it doesn't return a text, so we need to change to string and then change to a number to int, like this. And in the same way I want to access the other one, then control D while the second number, then et second number dot text dot to string dot to int, and another one while result is equal to first number plus second number. And now I want to assign this result to the result view, to the text view whose name is result view. So text view TV result dot text is equal to a result. So here now the result is a number, but this result we will need a text, so we need to convert this result to string now, then it will be assigned. So now if I run the project, let's see. So you see if I run the project, oh my god, I have given a wrong text. So let's run again. Actually I got the problem because last time I give the text property wrongly, like an ID. So let's suppose here any number 1 2 3 4 5, and here is another number, any number like this. So if I click add, these two values will be added together and the result will be displayed here. Okay, so in this way we can access the edit text values apply mathematical calculations on it, and this change the text of the text view dynamically.